In Galt Project, you can create Ethereum ERC-721 token for your land plot or real estate. Token represents your ownership record, which is impossible to fake. Tokens are used for commercial purposes or for self-governance between owners. You cannot create tokens by yourself. Geographic coordinates, additional information, and your rights should be verified. Verification is made by a decentralized community of cadastral engineers and notaries. We call them oracles. They check geographical coordinates and property rights in your jurisdiction for a fee. All operations are performed in smart contracts. To provide paid services, they need a security deposit, blocked in the smart contract. In case of an error or fraud, the deposit will be written off and used for prosecution and damages cover. There is a reliable governance mechanism to prevent and correct errors and frauds. We will talk about it in details in further videos. In this video, I will create tokens for my land plot, house, apartment, and commercial warehouse. I have a house with land near vineyards from the previous videos. It's very nice. You can see it in point cloud view and on the map. To create a token, I need to go to the New Application page. I enter my cadastral number, choose Token Type. It's a land plot. Enter point cloud link in IPFS. I can provide additional nodes, for example, if I have any burdens. I need to enter coordinates of the vertices of my plot as latitude and longitude, or geohash. I can point them on the map or enter in the form. Let's do that. I will paste latitude, longitude, and altitude for each point. Now I need to write coordinates to Ethereum smart contract. I will sign and send a transaction to the blockchain. Coordinates will be used to calculate the land area and the token creation fee. Land area and fee were calculated in a smart contract. Oracles can set prices above this minimum fee. You can contact local oracles to understand the pricing, or you can look last approved applications in your area. We will make a more convenient user interface in the future for that. I change fee to 1 Ether for faster review and send application. I need to enter my identification information, passport or ID, and full name. This information will be encrypted and written to blockchain. I'm signing and sending transaction with payment. Okay, new applications was created. We can see it here. Oracles have different types: cadastral engineers, notaries, auditors, custodians, appraisers. Each role performs specific operations. Cadastral engineers check and approve tokens coordinates. Our cadastral engineer can see all applications in Application for Review page. He sees all the necessary information from my application: roles fees, review status for each role, and land plot on the map. He takes my application, chooses his role, signs, and sends a transaction to the blockchain. Now we can see the information about him in my application. Notaries check property rights. Local notary takes my application too. His role status changed. Cadastral engineer checked coordinates of my land plot in person with his equipment and found a mistake in one point. He returns the application with a note about the problem. I see this information in my current applications page. Here it is. I change invalid point coordinates and return application for review. Cadastral engineer can now approve application. He enters my ID number and full name. Application checks informations in smart contract. It's correct. He can approve application. Same operations perform notary. He checks property records in a government registry and my identity using cadastral number, coordinates, my passport, and me. After Cadastral Engineer and Notary both approve my application, I can withdraw the land plot token and see it in My Tokens page. Cadastral Engineer and Notary can get their payments. Part of the application fee goes to platform commission. We talk about that later. Now it's time to create a token for my house. My house has 2 floors. I need to create a token for each floor. I will create a new application and choose the token type Building Area and enter floor number 1. I need to enter coordinates of the first floor with heights above ground in meters and other necessary information. I will submit the application. The rest of the process is the same as for the land plot. In turn, for the second floor, I need to enter floor number 2 in form. The coordinates are the same, but the second floor has different heights. We skip approval process. To create a token for my apartment, I need to create another application. But in this case, I need to choose predefined real estate tokens, enter apartment house full address, apartment number, floor, area of my apartment, and coordinates of the apartment house with 0 height above ground. Application was sent. I have a warehouse in the city. I will create a token for the whole building. I chose predefined real estate tokens, whole building in the menu. Enter building address, building area, and coordinates of the first floor with 0 height above ground. All applications were approved. Now, I have 5 land and real estate tokens. I can use them for commercial purposes or create a self-governance with other owners. If necessary, I can also change the data on the land plot or real estate through the clarification application. It works absolutely like initial creation. For more information, watch further videos, test software, read white paper, join us on Telegram, put likes, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.